Cucumber is a nutritious fruit with a high water content. Eating cucumber may help lower blood sugar, prevent constipation, and support weight loss. To maximize cucumber's health benefits, eat the peel, too. Though commonly thought to be a vegetable, cucumber is a fruit.
The cucumber plant is a tender annual with a rough, succulent, trailing stem. The hairy leaves have 3 to 5 pointed lobes, and the stem bears branched tendrils by which the plant can be trained to supports. The 5-petaled yellow flowers are unisexual and produce a type of berry known as a pepo. The heat requirement is one of the highest among the common vegetables, and the fruits can become bitter if exposed to uneven watering conditions. The plants are susceptible to a number of bacterial and fungal diseases, including downy mildew, anthracnose, and fusarium wilt.
It's high in beneficial nutrients as well as certain plant compounds and antioxidants that may help treat and even prevent some conditions. Cucumbers